Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use KV Core CRM for real estate for beginners. Now first, log in or sign up with your account. Navigate to the dashboard. Go to main menu. It includes tabs for leads, contacts, listings, campaigns, and more. Quick action, add leads, schedule tasks, or view the daily agenda. Activity feed displays recent interaction with leads or contacts. Now on managing leads and contacts. To add leads, navigate to the Smart CRM tab, click on Add Contact or Contact rather to input lead details such as name, email, and phone numbers. On organizing leads, use filter like hot leads, new leads, or custom tags for easy management. Now on lead scoring, track engagement with emails, property searches, and website activity. On automated lead nurturing, set up automated email or text follow-ups for different lead types. Use pre-built templates or create your own template. Behavioral automation. KV Core sends alerts based on lead activity like revisiting a listing or favoriting a property. Now on listings management. To view listing, access the listing tab for active, pending, and sold properties. To promote your property, share listing directly to social media or through email campaigns. Now on Property Boost, invest in KV Core's advertising feature to increase listing visibility. On marketing and campaigns. For email blasts, create and send mass emails to your contact database. Use templates or design custom emails in the marketing section. Now on social media marketing. Schedule automated posts for new listing or open houses. Integrate with Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now on landing pages. Create lead capture forms for specific campaigns. Now, on managing your website. KV Core includes a personalized real estate website with IDX search. Optimize SEO. Add keywords, meta descriptions, and blogs to attract organic traffic. Now track performance. Use analytics to monitor website visitors and lead conversations. On reporting and analytics. Lead reports. View details like response rate, lead sources, and pipeline stages. On agent performance, if you're a team leader, track individual agent activities and performance. Lastly, ROI tracking or return on investment. Analyze the effectiveness of ad spend across campaigns. And that's basically it.